All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is where to place your hands as a technician. Now, when you're doing lashes on the client, you actually own this zone. This zone all around here is the client's, but this zone here you own. So it doesn't matter if you touch this zone. You shouldn't be going along and touching the client's face like this, but within this zone, it's totally fine to touch it. If you don't feel comfortable having skin-to-skin contact when you're doing your lashes, that's totally fine. You could use something like a tissue if you liked, or maybe a Lash headband would also be sufficient. It's entirely up to you. There's no right or wrong, but the moral to the story is you own this zone, and you should keep your hands within this zone. The next thing I'm going to talk about is how you place your hands. So you want to make sure that you have quite a lot of your weight of your wrists and your hands on the client's head. If you're isolating like this, scared to touch the client, what's going to happen is you're going to get the shakes, and it's going to affect your isolation and stuff like this. So you want to make sure you have a nice resting spot on the client's forehead. So that allows you the ability to be able to isolate a lot easier. And don't be scared to touch your client's head.